Hello, Chris here again from the garage. Yeah, it's vacation time, so I have been away with the family, but I have worked a little bit here and there on the CNC build and made some short films, and today I will try to wrap up most of the loose ends, so to say. So I will try to get the cabinet fixed and all the other small parts around it, and see if I can fix that. But so it will be some old film clips that I will be putting into this video, and then some new ones, and if everything goes well in the end we will see a complete CNC milling machine, or at least the version that I'm planning to have ready now. So we'll see if I manage to do that today and put everything together. And please feel free to hit the subscribe button. That's highly appreciated, and so you don't miss the upcoming videos. It will be more about my new snowmobile project, and of course a lot of parts will be milled in the new milling machine. Thanks. Here is the cabinet, and as you can see, before I have just used wood, and now when I have upgraded my cooling system, my plan is to make out of sheet metal parts all around to protect everything. And yeah, so I have bought a sheet metal that needs to be cut, and then on this small bending brake I will do the bending to get them to fit. So let's see how that works out.
Close your eyes, only got one night. Just put your trust in me. Give me everything. I need your love tonight. So baby, please don't fight it. Put your trust in me. I'll give you everything. So hold on to me. Never let me go. Right here in your arms is where I wanna be. So hold on to me. So hold on to me.
Okay, so the two first pieces are in place. Will be some screws, and then I actually have magnets keeping it in place. Easy to remove if I need to do some maintenance. There is, you can see, cut out for, I will bolt the whole mill to the wall. So yeah, so now it will be something similar on that side. Okay, now I'm here at Pulverteknik in Kungälv. They will put some powder coating on the sheet metal plates for the CNC cabinet. Yeah, not even 24 hours since I left the sheet metal plates at Pulverteknik. They are back painted, so looking really nice. here is the new door, the sliding door. I will put one big door instead of two, and it will be sliding on rails to the side, so it's not in the way when I'm reaching into the mill area.
So hold on to me. Never let me go. Right here in your arms is where I wanna be. Close your eyes, only got one night. Just put your trust in me. Give me everything. I need your love tonight. So baby, please don't fight it. Put your trust in me. I'll give you everything. So hold on to me. Never let me go. Right here in your arms is where I wanna be. I need your love. So hold on to me.
Okay, so a little bit more ready. I have the window on rails, good visibility. I have the inside covered, LED light up there. Can try it here. It will be here on a switch, so I can have a little bit better visibility. Have a cable chain for that access, and yeah, I also have mounted this button. It's for air, so I will be able to blow ships away, and these are for the cooling, and yeah, everything seems to be working now. Yeah, and here I have the new screen setting, and here is my yeah, it's a little bit sync problems I see with the RPM in the when I film it, but I have the RPM meter. Possible to change the spindle speed. Here will be the probe, yeah, spindle on off, coolant and light. Also spindle and flood, or the coolant I will be able to control from the Mac, but just like a extra security if I want to shut it off.